how to create an account on the Grindr app. So first download the app if you haven't already, then open the app. Then you should see a screen something like this. If you want to log in or create an account with your phone number, simply tap on phone, which is right next to the email, or else if you want to log in with your email, simply tap on the Google option on the bottom of your screen and choose any email that you would like to create an account with. Then after choosing your email, simply tap on continue, then just tap on the next option on the bottom, then tap on I accept the terms of service. In order to use the app, you should accept it, then tap on the next button again, and tap on accept the privacy policy as well. And after filling in your birth date, age, and verifying your email, you can create an account on the Grindr app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.